This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on Instagram using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Instagram. To enable or disable read receipts, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down a little ways, down to where you see the How Others Can Interact With You section, and the first thing there, Messages and Story Replies, you want to tap on that. And then right down here underneath, Who Can See You're Online, Show Read Receipts right here. Tap on Show Read Receipts. And by default it's probably enabled like you see mine, but to disable it, you just toggle that off. That disables read receipts, and toggling it on enables it. That is how to enable or disable read receipts on Instagram using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.